16 Pro-16 Pro Max Ultra Wide-Angle Camera Repair FPC Operation Video. After the iOS 6 system, it is not only necessary to verify the wide-angle camera, but also the ultra-wide-angle camera. Mismatched ultra-wide-angle camera can cause camera pop-ups. In this video, we demonstrated with V1 SE and the front and rear camera read and write adapter the operation steps of V1 SPO. V1 SPO US and V1 SE are the same. Dismantle the rear camera and then connect V1 SE to the phone. Buckle the original rear camera on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Find local save and save the original ultra-wide-angle camera code locally. Save successfully. Remove the original camera. Buckle the 16 Pro Max Repair FPC on a salvage camera. Buckle the rear camera with well-replaced FPC on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Select local write. After writing successfully, install it in mobile phone. The ultra-wide-angle camera pop-up message has been fixed. Comparison before and after repair.